Are you dreaming of launching your own startup but worried about getting crushed by taxes? Well, we have got some tax break specifically for startups which you should be aware of. One of them is called Section 80 IAC. Let's have a look at what the Section 80 IAC is, which startups are eligible for this tax break, how can startups avail it, and what are the benefits. Before we jump in, let's talk about why this tax break exists. India is all about fostering a booming startup ecosystem, and that means removing roadblocks for young entrepreneurs like you. Section 80 IAC is a game changer because it gives eligible startups a whopping 100% tax reduction on profit for 3 consecutive years. That's right, 3 whole years of focusing on rocking your business without a giant chunk going to taxes. Now, here's some even better news. In the interim budget 2024 presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1st, 2024, the deadline to incorporate your startup and qualify for this tax break has been extended by a year, all the way to March 31st, 2025. This is the government's way of saying, get out there and innovate. So how do you qualify? Alright, now let's see if your startup qualifies for this tax haven. Be recognized. First thing first, you gotta be a DPIIT recognized startup. This basically means you are officially acknowledged as a cool, innovative business. Company type matters. Only private limited companies and limited liability partnerships qualify. So make sure your startup structure is on point. The age game. Your startup needs to be incorporated after April 1st, 2026 and before the new deadline of April 1st, 2025. Keep it under 100 crore. Your annual turnover can't be more than rupees 100 crore in any previous financial year. You got to be a growing startup, not an established giant. Fresh start only. This tax break isn't for revamping existing businesses. It's designed to fuel new ideas, so reconstructions are generally a no-go, unless due to unforeseen circumstances. If you qualify for Section 80 IAC, here's what you get. 0 tax for 3 years, that's the big one. 3 whole years of keeping all your profits to reinvest in your business and fuel your growth. Reduced financial burden. Say goodbye to hefty tax bills. This exemption frees up your cash flow for crucial things like hiring talent, marketing, and product development. No advanced tax hassle. Since your tax liability is 0, you don't have to worry about paying any advanced tax. More time to focus on what matters, building your dream. Easy application process. The best part, applying for this tax exemption is a breeze. It's done online through the Startup India portal and there are no government fees involved. Here's how. Head to the Startup India portal. First, log in to the Startup India portal and get yourself recognized by DPIIT. Claim your exemption. Once recognized, find the Claim Tax Exemption option and fill out the details. Think startup name, incorporation date, location, the usual suspects. Keep your documents ready. So now, upload all the required documents like your registration details, financial statements, and tax returns. That's it. With those steps done, you are well on your way to enjoying 3 glorious tax-free years to make your startup a roaring success. Section 80 IAC is a golden opportunity for startups in India. It empowers you to focus on what truly matters, building your innovative business. So don't miss out on this chance to thrive. If you have any questions or need help navigating the application process, leave a comment below and let's chat. And remember, the future of business is in your hands. Go out there and make it happen. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more such engaging and informative videos, log on to dice.news.